All right, I was on my way from the chapel and I heard one coming from the east going west. It's cleared the defect detectors, but then when this one's going east coming from the west, so I get possibly a 2-for-1 here to Galatea crossing. Single locomotive intermodal. Switch this way. It's a windy and rainy night. That one's on track 2. The other one would be coming on track 1. The one's coming from the east. It's a very windy night. Kind of a risky move coming out here. Possibly. This one's booking. That's the locomotive up front. I imagine he's going to have a DPU on it somewhere. A little extra light with my bright lights. Really helping to catch the one coming the other way, but he has not cleared the DPU or the defect detector yet. So it might be a longer one. Either that or he's actually going east also on track 1. But I think he's going west on track 1 coming my direction. We'll see here in just a moment. Yeah, this is definitely a longer one. Fast as he's going, let's see what DPU, if it has one, where it's at. No DPU. That's interesting. All right, we'll stop the video here and see if that other one comes through. All right, here comes that train that was coming east or westbound on track 1. Three locomotives. BNSF on there as well. Two of them are BNSF and one at CSX. Possibly, I couldn't tell there. I'll tell when I go back on the video and look. Might be a good one. Looks like it's going to be a tanker train. There's another one going to be coming from the west going east. Yes, I'm filming these from the truck because it is rainy and it's windy, but I figured I'd do some nighttime videos for y'all. Can't really see them from that way because there's not really lights. Turn my brights on, maybe get a little bit more light out here. Refrigerated boxcar. A lot of empties on this thing. A lot of empty lumber cars. Center beam lumber cars. Some more boxcars. There's a lot of empty center beam lumber cars on this. It's going to be a longer one. And it's going a little bit slower. So I'll probably match these 3 night trains in together into one video. Flat cars on there too. That's pretty nice. More box cars. This is a long one. Hey, look at that. An NDPU on it also. Alright, look at that. So 3 DPUs on the front and 1 in the back. Good train. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, here comes number 3. I came up here and stopped. There's been a lot of trains coming through tonight anyway. CSX in the front with the second locomotive. This is going to be another mixed freight. Some gondola cars on it. Looks like it's carrying some steel beams. Cars, lots of tankers. Man, glad I came up here tonight. Pretty big train also, it appears. So it does have the 2 in front. Let's see if it's got a DPU on it. And I am filming these from inside the comfort of my truck because it's getting cold. It was 50 degrees yesterday or today. Now the wind is 50 mile an hour with rain, and I don't feel like standing out there in the wind and rain to film these videos. Got some box cars on it. So far, no DPU. And no DPU on it. Alright, this will be the last video of this 3-train compilation. I'll also do a couple shorts out of this. So, alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click on notifications. Like the video. Hey, drop a comment below if you're enjoying these. Alright, God bless. Have a good night.